Okay, in this video we're looking at gradients of straight lines when you read them off the graph. And so here we're given an equation of y equals 2 over 3x. So when we're looking at a graph like this, the bit that we focus in on is the number in front of x, and that is actually a gradient. And so all we have to do here, if we're identifying the gradient, is simply write that the gradient is equal to 2 over 3. Okay, so the number in front of x always represents the gradient. So let's look at our next example. This is asking us to draw the graph of y equals 4x, and so our gradient for this is simply going to be 4. So if we're thinking about rise over run, that means that we go up 4 and across 1. Okay, so let's draw up a set of, whoops, we'll just come back to OneNote here. Okay, so let's draw up a set of axes for this. Okay, so here's my axes, and I'm going to draw my first point here at where my axes cross over, and so from there I'm going to come up 4 and across 1, so that's from our gradient here. And if I want another point out the other direction, I just have to follow that pattern down, so come down 1 across 1, down 4 across 1. So once I've got those in, I can rule them up with a line, hopefully one that rules correctly, and there's my line that goes through all 3 points. I might just adjust the end of that line because it looks like it doesn't go through. There we go, that's a bit better. Okay, so that's how we do gradients off an equation. You're just looking at that number in front, and that corresponds to the gradient. So in this exercise here, 13.04, you're going to be getting gradients off equations like that, and possibly doing some drawing of equations as well.